Hello, my dear little friends. Welcome back to my channel. Warm greetings to you all. In my today's video of composition, we are going to learn comprehension. Comprehension means you have to find out answers of the questions based on the given paragraph. So let us go through with a short story given here, and then we'll learn how to find out answers of questions based on this story. There was a shepherd boy named Ramu. He was very naughty. Every day he took his sheep for grazing in the fields. One day he thought of playing a mischief. He started shouting,
Run, run! There is a wolf in the field.
The villagers heard his shouts and came running with weapons. But they did not find any wolf and went away. The next day, Ramu played the same mischief again.
There is a wolf in the field.
Again the villagers came and went away. On the third day, Ramu saw a real wolf and started shouting for help.
Run, run!
The villagers thought that Ramu was giving only false alarm, so they did not go to help him. In the meantime, the wolf killed 2 sheep from the flock. Ramu learnt a good lesson. He decided never to play a mischief. My dear friends, this story is very familiar to you all. You all are aware about this story, and so I'm not taking much time to explain you all. Let us go through directly on the questions given here based on this story. Answer the following questions. First question: who was Ramu? Now mostly the information about the character in the story is given in the first paragraph itself. So our question is who was Ramu, and the answer is here in first paragraph, first line. There was a shepherd boy named Ramu. So let us write the answers in a correct way. Ramu was a shepherd boy. Second question: what did Ramu think of one day? एक दिन रामू ने क्या सोचा? शरारत करना. जैसे कि आपको यहाँ पता ही होगा कि वो एक नॉटी बच्चा था और उसने एक दिन सोचा कि वो गांव वालों के साथ कुछ शरारत करे. सो अगेन द आंसर इज इन फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ. One day he thought of playing a mischief. So we will write our answer from the question. One day Ramu thought of playing a mischief. Third one. What did the villagers do when Ramu shouted for help? जब रामू मदद के लिए चिल्लाने लगा तो विलेजर्स ने क्या किया? पहले ही दिन जब उसने शरारत की और सबको ये सच लगा. So what the villagers did? See the second paragraph. The villagers heard his shouts and came running with their weapons. So here we'll write only the main body of the answer, that is came running with their weapons. So let us go back to the question and write down answer from the question itself. So we'll start from the villagers. The villagers came running with their weapons to help Ramu. Fourth question: what happened on the third day? अब जब तीसरे दिन रामू चिल्लाने लगा तो गांव वालों को यही लगा कि वो शरारत कर रहा है, लेकिन वो शरारत नहीं कर रहा था क्योंकि तीसरे दिन सच में वुल्फ आ गया था. फाइंड योर आंसर इन द लास्ट पैराग्राफ. क्योंकि स्टोरी का एंड है वो थर्ड डे से ही हो रहा है, तो इसके लिए हम लास्ट पैराग्राफ में इसका आंसर सर्च करेंगे. तो यहाँ पे आपको मिलेगा On the third day, Ramu saw a real wolf and started shouting for help. So here the answer will be, on the third day, Ramu saw a real wolf and started shouting for help. So we are writing the same answer as it is from the paragraph. And the last question, what lesson did Ramu learn? So इसका आंसर आपको लास्ट लाइन में मिलेगा. Ramu learned a good lesson. He decided never to play a mischief. So here what we'll do, we will combine these two sentences and form a answer. So the answer will be, Ramu learned a good lesson that never to play a mischief. So the story was also very short, and so it was very easy to find out the answers quickly and easily from the given story. Now children who face it difficult, for them we can use a easy trick like, जो क्वेश्चन में वर्ड्स है उसी वर्ड्स को अगर आप पैराग्राफ में ढूंढने की कोशिश करोगे तो आपको आपका आंसर्स इजीली मिल जाएगा. और जिन बच्चों को ये डिफ़िकल्ट लगता है तो उनके लिए हम इस तरह से उनको सिखा सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सेकेंड क्वेश्चन पे अगर हम जाएंगे तो व्हाट डिड रामू थिंक ऑफ वन डे. तो यहाँ पे वन डे ये अगर इजी वर्ड हम पकड़ ले तो स्टार्टिंग से हम ढूंढेंगे कि वन डे यहाँ पे पैराग्राफ में कहाँ पे. तो देखो यहाँ पे मिल गया वन डे शब्द यहाँ पे है. सो ये जो रहेगा वन डे थॉट ऑफ प्लेइंग अ मिशिफ. सो ये सिमिलर वर्ड्स है क्वेश्चन में और पैराग्राफ में भी. सो इजी होगा बच्चों के लिए रिकग्नाइज करना कि यही इसका आंसर होगा. तो अगर ऐसे बच्चों को ठीक से आंसर क्वेश्चन में से फॉर्म नहीं करने आते हैं लेकिन फिर भी अगर वो पैराग्राफ में से उस वर्ड को रिकग्नाइज करके एज इट इज़ लिखेंगे तो भी बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. सो वी शुड एनकरेज चिल्ड्रन to do such kind of activities, to do the paragraph reading and find out the answers from paragraph. It will really help children to improve their vocabulary, their reading skills, and they will be busy with such kind of activities. So please go through this video and check your description box. The story and question answers are given over there. Note down in your notebook. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay blessed, stay happy.